Today, we will talk about how to help a friend with depression and anxiety. Let's have a look at the details. Depression is a serious medical condition that afflicts many people. If you have a friend who is suffering from depression, you may be unsure about what you should do to help. There are several ways that you can help a friend who is suffering from depression, from encouraging them to get treatment to building them up with kind words. The first step is helping your friend get treatment for depression. Watch for symptoms of depression in your friend. You may suspect that your friend is depressed by the way he or she is acting. Some of the common symptoms of depression are persistent sad feelings or lack of motivation, loss of interest in hobbies, friends, and/or sex, excessive fatigue or feeling slowed down in thinking, speaking, or movement, increased or decreased appetite, trouble sleeping or sleeping too much, trouble concentrating and making decisions, irritability, feelings of hopelessness and/or pessimism, weight loss or gain, thoughts of suicide, aches, pains or digestive problems, feelings of guilt, worthlessness, and/or helplessness. Encourage your friend to talk to a doctor. Your friend may be denying that there is a problem or may be even embarrassed to admit that there is a problem. Because some depression symptoms are atypical, many non-clinical people do not associate them with being depressed. Apathy and numbness are often overlooked as depression symptoms. The extra encouragement of a friend may be all that your friend needs to seek help. Let your friend know that you are willing to help. While your friend may agree to seek help, he or she may be too depressed to follow through with making and keeping an appointment. By offering your ongoing help, you can ensure that your friend will actually get the help he or she needs. The second step is supporting your friend. Encourage your friend every day. Depression can make a person feel worthless, but you can use encouraging words to support your friend until your friend remembers his or her worth again. Let your friend know that you are there for them. Depression can make people feel isolated and like no one cares. Let your friend know that you are available and that they should contact you right away if they need you. Listen when your friend wants to talk. Listening to your friend and attempting to understand what your friend is going through is an important aspect of supporting them through recovery. Recognize the signs of suicide. Depressed people do sometimes take their lives when the feelings of hopelessness and helplessness become too much to bear. If your friend talks about suicide, take it seriously. Some warning signs are threats or talk of suicide, statements implying they don't care about anything or won't be around anymore, giving away their stuff, making a will or funeral arrangements, the purchase of a gun or other weapons, sudden, unexplained cheerfulness or calm after a period of depression. If you observe any of this behavior, get help right away. Call a healthcare professional, mental health clinic, or the Suicide and Crisis Lifeline at 988 to get advice about what action to take. And the third step is moving beyond depression with your friend. Plan some fun outings together. As your friend begins to feel better, keep your friend moving beyond depression by planning some fun outings. Laugh with your friend. Laughter is known as the best medicine for a reason. Recent studies have shown that laughter helps to alleviate the symptoms of depression and makes people who are depressed feel more connected to others. Watch for recurrences of depression symptoms. Just because your friend is feeling better does not mean that he or she is cured. Depression is episodic, which means that it often comes back. Take care of yourself. Helping a friend who is battling depression is hard work. To make sure that you do not suffer an emotional crisis, you will need to take very good care of yourself as well. Make sure that whatever you do nurtures your physical, spiritual, and/or emotional needs. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.